Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title, a step-by-step guide to installing a Python project. Introduction. Installing a Python project can sometimes be a daunting task for beginners, but with the right guidance, it becomes a straightforward process. This tutorial will walk you through the essential steps to install a Python project, covering common scenarios and best practices. Prerequisites. Before we begin, make sure you have the following installed on your system. Step 1. Set up a virtual environment, optional but recommended. Setting up a virtual environment is good practice as it helps manage dependencies for different projects. Open your terminal and navigate to your project folder. Then, run the following commands. Activate the virtual environment. On Windows. On macOS/Linux. Step 2. Clone the project. Clone the project repository using a version control system like Git. If you don't have Git installed, you can download the project source code from the project's website. Step 3. Install dependencies. Navigate to the project folder and install the required dependencies using pip. The dependencies are typically listed in a requirements.txt file. If there's no requirements.txt file, check for other files like pip file or setup.py for dependency information. Step 4. Configure the project. Some projects may require additional configuration steps, such as setting up environment variables, creating configuration files, or running database migrations. Refer to the project's documentation for specific instructions. Step 5. Run the project. Once the dependencies are installed and the project is configured, you can run it. The command to start the project may vary, but common options include: refer to the project's documentation to find the appropriate command for starting the application. Conclusion. Congratulations! You have successfully installed a Python project. Keep in mind that the installation process may vary depending on the project's structure and requirements. Always refer to the project's documentation for specific instructions. ChatGPT